the last time you were on a diet? Now, ask yourself, how well do those calorie-restricting diets and accompanying fitness routines work? I have a funny feeling your answer is a resounding no. Yes, diets don't work. Unless you're brave enough to ask yourself the right questions and commit yourself to find the correct answers. Those deep-rooted beliefs and habits are not the only reason for your struggle, but it's those patterns that are engraving your subconsciousness. You feel that these issues have held you back long enough, but breaking through that glass ceiling holding you down will take a little more than simple diet plans. It needs a change in your mindset. This is exactly what you can achieve with my Simplify Wellness Path workshop that will guide you on your journey to a sustainable and fun wellness journey. Series 1 will focus on transforming your mindset and helping you over those internal conflicts where you prefer cheeseburger over salad. A sumptuous raw vegan buffet will be served, which aims to not only deeply satisfy your taste buds, but transform your perception on how tasty the plant-based foods can be. Series 2 will focus on getting practical know-how where you can learn everything you need to create more than 7 yummy raw vegan dishes. Series 3 is the integration and implementation of learnings from Series 1 and 2, where you'll learn about building strategies around your body needs and setting goals in the vision of your learnings from Series 1 and 2. Through this program, I will help you rediscover your values and achieve true wellness, which can only be measured through the vitality, joy, and clarity that you have in your life. That's right. Simplify Your Wellness Path workshop is a one-stop shop to transform your mindset, stop your internal conflicts, and discover self-love, self-care, self-healing, and self-empowerment. Liberate yourself from the strict diet routines and regain freedom and appreciation in your own true wellness with Simplify Your Wellness Path workshop.